And welcome back to another episode of The Average Designer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in Adobe Premiere. So the first step that we're going to do is we're just going to head over to this drop down right here, and we're just going to make sure that we are on our project. So we're just going to click that. And then from here, we're going to go down to creating a brand new item. And we're going to click on that, and we're going to create a brand new black video. We're going to just keep these default settings, and we're going to push OK. Now that we have the black video, we're going to drop it right on our timeline. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to click on effects. And we're going to type in tint and we're going to drag the tint on top of the video. Now that the video has the tint, we're going to go to our effects controls. And we're going to go all the way down to the matte black 2 and we're going to select the color. So from here, we can select the color that we want, and it looks like this nice green will be a nice color. So we select that and then we push OK. So as you can see, it changes the background color. And if you want to go back in and you want to change this to another color, you can. You could just push OK and it'll change. So that's how you change the background color in Adobe Premiere. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks.